We've been asked to create a custom screwdriver for a manufacturer. The handle and length are completely up to you. The only requirements are the size of the shaft and the blade dimensions shown here. In SolidWorks, I'll show you the basic design for this model. Your model is up to you. This is just how I constructed mine. I created a few planes at the beginning just to establish some overall sizes. My first feature was a revolve. This is a simple revolve. Sketch out a handle shape, revolve 360 degrees. Next, we have a cut that starts from this surface and just cuts all the way through the part along the z-axis. You may choose to add fillets to round things out. You can do a circular pattern of the cut and the fillets to create a unique hand grip. Next, you can extrude the shaft. And our blade is one full loft through one surface and two sketch profiles. Next, you can use the Sketch Text tool to type and cut or extrude some words. And you can use a circular pattern to drive that around your handle. I used a separate circular pattern here so that I could skip every other instance and just have 3 places with words. And that's how I constructed my screwdriver model.